Welcome gang, pretty excited, Sky Pilot here. The Diatone Taycan, the mini green hornet in an orange colour. Right hand circular polarised lolly on the back there, XM Plus receiver. Sporting the Runcam orange on the roof there for the high def recording. I've got an Emax 850 4S on the roof. I'm going to take this thing for its maiden and see how it flies. Looks pretty stinking good. I reckon she's going to fly pretty stinking well too. Got a couple of landing pads on the bottom there. Strapped down the LiPo. She's pretty much bog stock standard out of the box. This thing is a bind and fly unit. If you want to know all about it, check out my last video up on the screen there. Just talk about binding it and what you get in the package. Really nice little unit, comes with its own carry case. Enough chit chat, the sun's shining. I can't wait to get this thing up in the sky. Thanks for stopping by folks. Diatone Taycan. Little ripper. See if it's as noisy as the Green Hornet. Okay, a little bit of wind here folks, should be okay. Quick line of sight first before we don the goggles. Oh hell yeah, it's loud. Oh, blimey, Charlie. Oh, blimey, my ears are ringing. Yeah, that's line of sight done. Yeah, this thing is flaming loud. Okay, FPV. Get the Runcam recording. The feed will report to my Skyzones. Okay, this unit boosts. You can boost this unit up to 400 milliwatts, which is what we've got it set on. Fly into the wind a little bit first. These Taycans are really nice to fly, super smooth. Be interesting to see how far we go with the lollipop on the rear there for our VTX signal. I was going to say, I think when we stop hearing it, we can't hear it anymore, we've gone a long way. However, I think I could probably hear this thing up to 1 kilometre away. Yeah, it sounds like it's just down the road. Straight away guys, really nice to fly. Super smooth on the sticks. Look at that. I don't know if they'll go too much further. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, that's really good guys. It's taken me all the way down there. Alright, I'm going to leave it there because when I turn around I expect I shall lose a tiny bit of signal because my lollipop's facing the other direction. And, oh why the heck not, let's just do a full speed run home. I expect I'll get some battery warnings here. Let's get above those trees. Looking good. What a great fun unit guys. This thing here is really, really good. Straight away I'm loving it. I'm going to go straight up, have a bit of a look around, and hopefully I don't come straight back down again. See if we get any prop wash. I'm in air mode. Let's go around the corner here. VTX on this is fabulous guys. I'm hardly getting any break up at all. Really, really impressive. A little bit of break up there, so I think we'll turn around and come back. Not liking that too much. Not to worry, because I have got a beeper. Really important to have a beeper, guys, for this very reason. Somewhere in here. Oh, there it is. Okay. We're still recording. Diatone Taycan. My 850 didn't last all that long. It is a fairly old battery from my Emax days, so I'm not too surprised. Luckily I was flying above the tree, so it gave it a bit of a nice soft landing, so completely undamaged. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Link down below with details of where you can get this cool unit from, and I've got a coupon code, nice and fresh, to save you some dollars too, so yeah, feel free. Much appreciated. Drop us a comment, smash that thumbs up. It's great to see you. Skypilot, enjoy the footage. The Diatone Taycan. Can it? Sure can. See you next time. Bye for now.